How to make free money from cryptocurrencies as a beginner.
Welcome to this beginner-friendly guide on making free money from cryptocurrencies. If you're new to the crypto world and looking to unlock its potential without spending huge sums or navigating complicated technical jargon, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into the exciting opportunities provided by smart contracts, JavaScript creators, and blockchain innovations. By the end, you'll have the insights you need to get started on this rewarding journey. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies independently of banks. Instead of depending on traditional systems, they utilize blockchain technology, a transparent ledger that records transactions securely and permanently. Think of cryptocurrencies as digital money that you can send or receive anywhere in the world without intermediaries like banks. The system is completely transparent, with every transaction visible on the blockchain for anyone to verify. The most popular cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, introduced the world to this innovative system, but today there are thousands of crypto projects offering unique features and earning opportunities. Combined with a secure blockchain network, cryptocurrencies create countless financial possibilities for both beginners and experts alike. To understand how you can make money from crypto, you first need to understand smart contracts. Don't worry, this isn't as complicated as it sounds. Smart contracts are simply self-executing programs stored on the blockchain. They work like digital agreements that automatically execute actions when specific conditions are met. For example, if you want to send money to someone but ensure it's only accessible on a specific date, a smart contract can facilitate that without relying on intermediaries. The beauty of smart contracts lies in their reliability and autonomy. They eliminate the need for a middleman, reducing costs and ensuring transactions are completed exactly as planned. What's more, once deployed on the blockchain, smart contracts can operate independently, creating earning opportunities for users in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. You might be wondering, what do programming and cryptos have in common? Enter JavaScript, one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It plays a pivotal role in the creation of smart contracts. JavaScript-based tools and creators allow developers to build and customize smart contracts easily. While this might sound overly technical, it's important to understand that these innovations aren't just for coders. Regular users like you can reap benefits too. Developers create decentralized applications, dApps, using JavaScript and deploy them into the blockchain environment. These dApps host several earning opportunities, from providing free tokens to staking rewards. For you, this means leveraging the work of developers to secure a share of what they've built, even if you don't have coding experience. Once a smart contract or dApp is fully developed, it must be deployed on the blockchain to become functional. Deployment simply refers to the process of uploading this contract to a blockchain network, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Think of deployment as putting a finished product on the shelves of a store. Once deployed, the dApp or smart contract is ready to interact with real users. Why is this relevant for you as a crypto beginner? Once a dApp is live, it creates opportunities where you can participate and benefit from its functionality. For instance, projects hosting airdrops or staking programs depend on these deployed smart contracts, which allow you to interact with them and earn free crypto. Now that we've covered the foundational concepts, let's explore real-world ways to start earning free crypto as a beginner. Even without prior experience, these methods are accessible and highly rewarding. Airdrops are among the easiest ways to earn free crypto. When new crypto projects launch, they often distribute free tokens to users to promote awareness. All you have to do is complete simple tasks, like signing up for updates, following their social media channels, or sharing the project with your network. For example, a new dApp might offer its token as a reward to early adopters. These free tokens can later gain value if the project becomes successful, making them a great starting point for beginners. Staking is another accessible method to earn rewards. By staking, you lock up your coins in a network to support its operations, such as verifying transactions. As a reward for contributing to network security, you receive additional tokens over time. This process doesn't require constant monitoring or trading, making it perfect for beginners who want to set up passive income streams. Many platforms like Ethereum, Cosmos, and Binance Smart Chain offer easy-to-use staking features. Decentralized applications are blockchain-based platforms that offer numerous earning opportunities. From gaming apps to financial tools, dApps reward users for their interaction and engagement. Some might grant you tokens for completing tasks, while others distribute rewards for participating in governance. By interacting with these platforms, you not only learn about cryptocurrency but also gain exposure to free earning opportunities in the process. Now that you know the earning opportunities, here's a step-by-step guide to getting started safely and effectively. A crypto wallet is where you'll store your assets securely. Beginners can opt for user-friendly custodial wallets on platforms like Coinbase or Binance. If you want to take full control, non-custodial wallets like MetaMask provide greater autonomy. Different platforms offer varying earning opportunities. Research popular blockchain networks like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Smart Chain to identify where you'd like to participate. Look for platforms that offer beginner-friendly opportunities, such as staking or airdrops. Once you select a platform, you'll often need to connect your wallet to interact with its dApps or smart contracts. Ensure you only connect your wallet to trusted websites to avoid scams. Keep an eye out for new projects that offer airdrops or staking benefits. Most of these opportunities are limited to early adopters, so staying updated on crypto news or joining community forums can give you a head start. While cryptocurrency offers plenty of earning opportunities, it's essential to remain cautious. The crypto market is still young and can be volatile, with cases of scams and fraudulent schemes. Here are some key precautions. Avoid too good to be true offers. If an opportunity promises absurdly high returns with no risk, it's likely a scam. Always research projects. Look into the team, technology, and community behind a project before participating. Be wary of phishing scams. Never share your wallet's private keys with anyone. Always double-check the website domain before connecting your wallet. Diversify your approach. Don't rely on a single earning method. Explore a combination of airdrops, staking, and other options to minimize risk. Making free money from cryptocurrencies as a beginner is not only possible, but also an accessible way to step into this innovative financial space. By understanding simple concepts like smart contracts, leveraging JavaScript creations, and exploring new blockchain projects, you're opening the door to financial opportunities. Start small, whether it's claiming free airdrops, staking your crypto, or engaging with decentralized apps, and build your knowledge as you go. So, what are you waiting for? Explore the world of cryptocurrency today and take your first steps toward a more secure and financially independent future. Good luck, and see you in the exciting world of crypto.